There, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm doing another journal flip through. This one is my mini collage book that I started in April of 2023 and I finished in January of 2025. This is an index card book, notebook kind of thing. At first, I had started doing every page, and then towards the end I started doing every other page because it was getting full. And I did take about 5 to 10 pages out. So this was the first one. It was a peaceful dance. Peace beyond understanding. I hope it's enough. That is a marvel, a joy to my eyes, my idea of a good time. Where wildflowers bloom, so does hope. And that was Lady Bird Johnson said that. Over here we have some bunnies running around, little flutters of excitement filled with wild impatience, rejoicing in the sun. I enjoy making little poems out of clippings of different books. These are not all from the same book. They might be, but they aren't always. I haven't been doing that lately. I'm going to get into that again. Listening to the stillness, quite peaceful. It was very beautiful. No matter what yesterday was like, birds always start the new day with a song. The stars stood in the heavens, almost as brilliant as the sun. No matter how chaotic it is, wildflowers will still spring up in the middle of nowhere. Sheryl Crow said that, and that's so true. We have an old abandoned road not too far from our house where I walk the dog, and the road is crumbling and just falling apart, but there's wildflowers growing out of the cracks. All right, you must do as your spirit commands you. I love this paper. This is like maybe my all-time favorite, and I just have one little rectangle of it left. This was just my Monet washi tapes there. I just left that. Some of the birds hurried off at once. Their paths led them into pleasant places. Such a joyful prospect before you, the pleasantest sort of afternoon, a powerful wave of joy. When the air is full of music and the sky full of stars. This is where I guess I started doing it. Opposite pages. Beauty extends as far as the eye can see. Is there another one there, or is that it? I feel like there's one in there. Yep. Opportunities multiply as they are seized. They die when neglected. That was a fortune from a fortune cookie. I also love all these beautiful little pinks. Pink's my color, by the way. Full of curiosity, amazement and curiosity. We always have to take a chance. And this I just left as is. This is a ledger. I have a early 1900s, let's say, doctor's ledger. And I've been using some pages from that. This is a washi tape right here. An inchy page. Live each day one at a time. Live purposefully. Another inchy page. An unusual elegance and respect, a profound dignity encompassed her. These were my very first inchy pages that I ever made. And then I just put some stamps together on that page. And more inchies. No words. Is that it? I think so. I love this page too. No words on that one. But again, the pinks. And that's part of the ledger paper up there, I do believe. True colors. Just some magazine images and bee washi tape. These now I'm getting into, that was July. I didn't start again until January. I wanted to get it finished for the new year. With brave wings she flies. Be your beautiful self. And this is Van Gogh wrapping paper. Embrace the journey. Not all who wander are lost. I may have a whole video of that one. I do have a whole video of this one. We can make something out of this. Travel the world over to find the beautiful. The journey is in the destination. If you're interested in seeing the ones that I actually filmed the process, I do believe I have a playlist called Mini Collages. Today is full of possibilities. Be open to whatever comes next. I didn't like this one at first, but now I do. I don't know why. Practice kindness. Make today count. Be in love with your life. Hold on tight to your dreams. Another inchy one in magazine images. Live your dreams with passion. A dream is a wish your heart makes. These are stickers. And some more of that paper that I love. Find joy in the ordinary. There is beauty in simplicity. I don't really like this one too much. There is no such thing as too much candy. Celebrate. I love this one too. And then, is this the last one? Nope, one more after that. It's the little things that make life big. Keep life simple. I call this my mini tea party. And then that's the last one. A little bunny. With a leap of the heart, his loyal heart seemed to cry out, a melancholy tone. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this. And as I said before, go ahead and check out my mini collage playlist if you'd like to see the process of some of those. It's mostly the ones that I did in January, I believe. And also, I think I'm going to make some ledger papers available on my Ko-fi accounts from the doctor's ledger papers. That would be cool. So be looking for that on my Ko-fi page soon, and I will announce here when they're up. So thanks so much for watching, and be happy, healthy, safe, and warm and dry. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.